So now I'm going to show you how to create a live class. I'm actually really excited about this one because you could create a class that's live like this, and you could also talk to the people and give you feedback live as well. So I'm going to show you how to quickly create that. So the first thing you want to do is go into your lessons, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new lesson by clicking create a new lesson at the top here. And I'm just going to call this my live class, but you could call it anything you want. And you could add a description or not. You don't need to. And then choose the class that it's going to be in. So I'm just going to put it in class 1, and I'm going to switch it over to live YouTube stream. So I'm going to switch it over to live YouTube stream. So you want to do that. And I'm going to say go live now, or you could schedule it for some other time. So let's go ahead and get this URL. That's what you're going to need for the live stream here. So in order to do this, you have to get a YouTube account. So in order to do this, you could use the camera from your computer and log in to YouTube from your computer or your phone, and it's the same way. So I'm going to show you first with the computer how to go live. Log into your YouTube account. Up at the top right here, click go live, just at the top right there. And this is so cool that you could do this for free. And I'll just say my live class. All right, so do that. I'm going to make this unlisted so other people can't see it. Only the people that pay for it can see that. So unlisted. I'm going to say it's not for kids, so I don't have any restrictions with YouTube. And I'm going to go ahead and press next. And you could do a screenshot, but it really doesn't matter on this. It's using it from my camera from my computer here. And I'm going to show you how to do it on your phone as well. So now I'm going to click go live. And when you're ready to go live, you just use this area to click and go live. So now I'm live, but you want to go ahead and copy this URL right here. So this is I'm just going to press copy and copy this URL. So I'm live right now, and I'm going to paste this URL in here, and nobody could share this URL. It's going to be embedded in your video. So I'm going to press update here, and I'm going to go ahead and preview it so people could see this live class. So if they go to my live class, here's what they're going to see. Basically, they're going to see me live, and I'm just going to wave right now. There it goes. Pretty quick too. And people could put comments here so I could see all their comments down below. And if you just say hi, you could see everybody's comment while you're doing it live. So you could actually open up a computer and open up 2 browsers and have one that does this live thing, and then another one just to see people's comments if you want. Or instead of this tab, I'm going to show you now how to go ahead and use your phone to go live. So again, what I did is just added this live video to one of my classes. And if you are a member of one of the classes, let's say you bought class 1, for example. So people would access this by buying your class, going to like class 1, let's just say I put it in, and seeing this live class right here. You could send them this link directly, email them that link, or they could just go to this link but after they pay, and they could start just watching your classes live, and then they could start commenting here. What's really also really cool is they could click this button here and they could change their profile, so you could see who's talking and whatnot, and you could see their name right there. Because I'm the admin, that will show up there as an admin, but you could change that name as well. So now I'm going to go over and I'm going to show you now how to go live with your phone. Alright, so now I have my phone here in this screen right here, as you can see, and I have YouTube right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click YouTube. First, you want to download YouTube by just going to the App Store, and you want to go find YouTube. It's just the YouTube, there it is right there. You'll see it's just the regular YouTube. It looks like that. So once you have that, then you want to go ahead, and this works for Android and iPhone. So you want to open up the YouTube, log into your account, and at the very top corner, I'm going to show you right here, at the very top corner, you want to click that, and you want to click live. You see that, right? I can't, at the bottom right here, you'll see live right there. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go ahead and put a title, and you could just put any title you want, live class or whatever you want. I'm going to also make this unlisted, just like that. Maybe put a description here as well, and then press next. All right, so it's creating this live class for you. You could create a thumbnail if you want. It really doesn't matter because you could have your own thumbnail on the class. And I'm going to go ahead and click go live right now. So now I'm live, and now you want to go ahead and share this class right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click the bottom right corner. Notice I just clicked the bottom right little 3 dots. Click share, and you could just email it to yourself, and that's what I do. I just literally just email the link to myself. So I have this link, so I'm just going to email this link to myself. That's the easiest, quickest thing to do. And then I'm just going to click submit, and then now I'll have it in my email. So I'll go over to my email here, and I'll just copy this link right here, this class here, and then I'll just put this in my lessons area right here, and that's it. And then you just want to paste that in, and you want to press update right there. And that's basically how to do that. Another thing is sometimes you don't want it on this mode. You want it more on profile mode, and there's a thing down below. Sorry about this. This comes with the recording thing. So you want to twist that around. You could twist it this way, and you could also flip it, and there's another setting on how to flip it, and these are more into detailed tutorials that we'll do for you. But basically that's it. That's how you go live, and you'll see this in your live class. You could test it out, and you'll see this live class. And there's another way I'm going to show you how to flip this as well. If you want to make it horizontal, which is probably the best way and the best viewing here, unless a lot of people are on their iPhone, then just flip your phone, and what it'll do is it'll flip it this way, and that's all you have to do to go live right there. So I'm just going to flip my phone, kind of see the ceiling right now, and now you could just start creating your classes, your thing from your phone right now. So you could just start typing the same information, and then it will go live horizontally here. And that's basically it.